Hello again. In this video I'm going to explain how you make your own website very easy from scratch and where you can go to get a system that's going to help you do it every step of the way. First of all, you need an idea. Without an idea, you're not going to know what kind of a template to look for or colors or how to design the site, so let's start with an idea. Then it's most important to ask the question, what is it for? Are you using this website to give away information, to inform people about what you do? Are you going to be selling services or selling products? And the reason that's important because your whole design of your site plus your content will be geared around getting an action from the viewer. So you need to know what that action is going to be. What is your website for? Then pick your domain name and reserve it right away, because it might take you a day, sometimes a month, to get your website completed, and you want to make sure you've got your domain name reserved. And then to build your website, you need to have some kind of a program or software in order to build it, plus you then have to go undergo training to build the program, and then an FTP is file transfer protocol, which allows you to publish it up to the web, and you need a web host in order to host your website so people can view it. So when you're making your site, you're going to be deciding whether or not you're going to learn HTML code, which is extremely complicated, software like FrontPage or Dreamweaver, and again, once you purchase that for around about $399, you're also going to have to take time to learn how to use it. There are also WYSIWYG builders that come a little bit cheaper than software, but they don't create really professional looking sites and they don't have back-end functionality. Or you'll use a content management system that's attached to your web host, or you'll purchase a content management system. So all of these options don't include the capability for you to run a newsletter, have a database at the back, what we call back-end functionality. You're going to have to purchase more software to be able to have a newsletter and run a database. So what I'm suggesting to you is what I'm using, which is the Simple New Web System, and here's what you get with that. You get a comprehensive set of training videos that are going to take you through how to make your own website every single step of the way, so that you're looking over somebody else's shoulder and going through the whole process. You're also going to get some very good helpful search engine optimization tips as well. Then you'll get a free content management system using open source, which allows you to make your website, and you're going to have a video that's going to take you through the process every step of the way. So the good thing about the Simple New Web System is that while you're learning, you're actually making your site as well. There'll be a database management system so that you can collect people's emails and have your own database, build your own membership. There are forms that you can easily point and click in, so you don't need to learn JavaScript or HTML. You just click your mouse and then there's a form there for your members to fill out and you capture their email. There's a newsletter editor for you to make a newsletter and then send it out. Secure membership forms, which allow you to have a restricted area for your website. So if you wanted people to have to sign in, or a membership type website, you can use that. Very, very easy to use. And then there's file transfer protocol that you can use to publish your pages up to the web. A whole lot of other scripts for adding polls and what have you. E-commerce capability, as well as access to a vault that's going to show you where you can get the best free web templates. Also, if you're wanting to pay $10 or a little bit more for your own unique one, you can do that, but free is always good. And then free access to forums for ongoing support and more advanced training. Now this is only going to cost $79. It is hardly anything. Remember, that means you're going to get your own database management system, as well as the software to, the system rather, to help you build your website, and the training videos as well, and everything we've just mentioned. If you're wanting to have see a demonstration of how this works, head on over to makeyourownwebsiteeasy.com, and there's a video there which shows you how it works and gives you a little bit more information about the whole system. I highly recommend it.